Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2011 Nissan Armada Platinum. This is an auction car, so it's rough around the edges, but we're gonna make it work because this is probably the last opportunity I'll have to take a tour of this generation of Armada in relatively decent running driving condition. Whew, it's starting to rain. That passenger front tire is losing air fast. I just put about 50 pounds in it, and it's supposed to be 35, so hopefully, I mean, we already got a TPMS light, so don't expect it to last for very long, but we'll make it work. Tons of storage here. Oh, there's your DVD slot. What is that? Oh, maybe a cup holder? What on earth are you? Maybe like a cup holder? Perhaps? Because it's set to different. That's a little weird. So that's removable. Removable? So you can take that out. You know, I'm not gonna break anything in here. I'm just gonna volume knob, so thank God that has that. AC is gonna be blasting because it is humid as all can be out right now. Tow mode, Sirius XM, it's got everything you need. Suspension, bouncy. I just heard something metal ping. That's not worrying. My big worry right now is overheating that tire if it's truly that low. And I have no tread depth, and now it's going to start pouring rain. Although I will say there's nothing better than the smell of rain on a humid day. No auto wipers on this. Shame. So if I do into, there we go. The thing with this, I feel this way in the new Armada as well. These things are tanks, and they drive like it. These are, God, don't blow a tire. These are just behemoths. And this one took a very, very boxy design, whereas with 2012 and up, they went curvy. This thing looks like a apartment building. Man, these 5.6s, they are freaking awesome. These things are torque machines. Definitely gotta take the city way back because I do not want this tire to go. I mean, I drove this thing once already, and the previous owners filled up the tire. Matter of fact, there's an air inflation kit in the back. I should have put 2 and 2 together on that, like, oh, you know, just in case. And then the next day the tire was low. I'm like, oh, well, that explains a lot. But it hasn't lost much air since then. So I think only if it's above 20 pounds, it will lose air. And then under 20 pounds, you know, it's not enough air pushing out. There's always huge risk driving these wholesale cars because I have no idea if the suspension is zip tied together. But the reward is bringing you guys a nice fun video that's a lot more relaxed than my normal style. And the views on these tend to be higher than any other video I do. Which I, to this day, really don't get, but apparently you guys love the oddball stuff. To be honest, I do too. Oh, no, 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 no. Ah. Anytime I hit a pothole with that tire, I'm just ready for it to go BAM! Ooh, a lot of brakes. Come on. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you. Whoa, really good turning circle. And I'll see you all in the next one.